May gravity nga ba ang solar system natin?
Gravity.
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 Gravity. Newton's law of gravity.
Gravity was discovered by Isaac Newton. As legend says, na-discover niya dahil sa isang apple. Ang tanong, may gravity nga ba ang solar system natin? But first, ano nga ba ang gravity? It's a force that attracts a body towards the center of the earth or any physical body having a mass. So, to answer that question is, yes, everything in our space has a gravity. Like the sun that keeps our planet together, planets like ours, kaya nandito tayo sa lupa, moon for high tide and low tide, asteroid, yes, may gravity ang asteroid kasi may mass or timbang ito. Kung titignan natin sa mga video or movies, maliit ito tignan. Pero if you compare it to a city,